But let's talk about first why controlling inflation is so critical when you have vehicles in your value chain. Car prices are way above pre-pandemic levels, and that can have serious consequences if you have a vehicle program like a fleet of company cars or a taxable car allowance. In the first case, you could be shouldering the burden of a very inflated and depreciating set of assets. In the second case, you're losing a significant portion of your car allowance to taxes when every one of those dollars needs to be and is eligible to be saved. Like new vehicle prices, insurance rates have increased substantially. Driving has proven riskier after the pandemic, and the average repair cost is up substantially, making accidents both more likely and more costly. This is also something to keep in mind if you have a fleet of company cars, and you are more exposed to accident liability. So high costs in the vehicle space require a strategic approach to intelligent program design. It isn't always about looking to reduce assets or headcount, but often about looking for the glaring programmatic inefficiencies in your workflows and optimizing these out.